Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications and pick the settings. Find and select backup and reset, and now go to network settings reset. As you can see, this operation will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, cellular data, and also Bluetooth. So if you truly want to perform it, if you truly want to reset network settings, click on Reset Settings. Now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, and if you are aware of that, just click on Reset Settings. And that's all. As you can see, network settings have been reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.